Alright, hello, welcome. My name is Jason Welsh, and welcome to the next installation of Maya 2009. In this Maya 2009 video, we're going to be kind of looking at selecting things, how to select things. So selection tricks, basically. Now, I get often a comment by my students like, how do you move around so quickly, and how do you kind of do this and that so quickly? And it's because of selecting things. Know the shortcuts to selecting things and learn navigation. The program is very easy to do. Okay, so what I want to do here is go in and maybe kind of grab a box. I kind of want to get you used to using this box efficiently, and hit 6 on the keyboard. So let's get used to another tool. Insert edge loop tool. Okay, the most often used tool. That and extrude. Okay, so insert edge loop tool. Let's just insert an edge loop. An edge loop is just a loop of polys that go all the way around, or an edge that goes all the way completely around all polys. If I put another edge loop in here, the thing in the center is an edge ring. So let's kind of look at selecting edge loops and edge rings for a second. Okay, let's say I don't have anything selected and I select one edge. More often I ever see this is students will go completely around the object and highlight every edge. Do not do that. That's redundant. So highlight one edge and hold Control, right click, and you'll get this. There's edge loop utilities, to edge loop. Okay, that again is clicking on the first edge, holding Control, right clicking, and going edge loop utilities, to edge loop, and let going of everything, the control and the button at the same time. So now you can quickly go in here and rotate and scale just that one edge. Okay, the other one is an edge ring. And here's the advantages of selecting an edge ring instead of an edge loop. If I highlight the edge here and go Control right click, you can go edge ring to edge ring. And it will highlight edges all the way around. Now, if you hold Control right click and go to faces, you'll get the faces going all the way around. So the edge ring is easy to select the faces going all the way around, and the edge loop is good for just getting the edge loop. Okay, now what's the difference between the two? Well, let me show you. Let me insert another edge loop down here. And maybe another one here. Certainly I can go in here, grab an edge loop, and just go in here, to edge loop, utilities, to edge loop, and then go in here and scale this in. Okay. But if I wanted to make harsh contrast change within this mesh, I would have to do a different thing than just inserting edge loops. So this is how this is done. Let's go to edge ring, and then two faces, and this time let's hit this extrude button. Don't click anything, just rotate around the part and you'll see this. Click the blue arrow in. The blue arrow allows you to extrude in on the object or out on the object. Okay, I can also have done this. This is a harsh contrast change. Okay, so this might provide a real meager change to the mesh, but definitely this is a way to get that harsh contrast. Now if you hit 3 on the keyboard, you're going to see this. Okay, so look at the difference here. Look at what I've done here compared to what I've done up here. The only way to get this profile to look as sharp as I need it to be, okay, click on 1, is insert an edge loop here, here, and here, and hit 3. Okay, see the difference? So use them together. Edge loop and edge rings are powerful things if you know where to place them. If I wanted to shore this up here, what I wanted to do is insert an edge loop, maybe on this one and this one, and now you can see a different contour appear because of that change. And it's starting to look a lot tighter. Okay, now that's selecting things. Now let's go on to extruding things and showing you some tricks along the way.